Hi everyone, welcome to week two. You guys did a great job in week one. I really enjoy reading your technology journal and your introduction, especially your winter highlights. You really have much more fun than my winter break. So really nice to meet all of you. I trust we will have a great semester to get in this course together. So for the week two, so this is the week two page, and this week we have more tasks than last week. And so this week we have four tasks in total. The first one is to watch this video. The second one is a flip grid discussion. And in this week's flip grid discussion, I'd like us to reflect on the characteristics that made the best class or learning experience you have had. What's any technology used and how? So this week you need to do two posts. One is your own response to the questions, and one is to make a comment. And the next task is about the digital literacies. There are two videos. The first one is a basic introduction, and the second one is to introduce the essential elements of digital literacy and taking some notes when you are watching this one. After that, join the join the video talk channel in the Slack to share your response to these three guiding questions, or you can also share your own thoughts for these two videos. You also need to reply to your classmates in this task. So the last one in this week is to transform the tech journals you finished in week one into tech tables. You can use a template. I have two templates here to create your own tech tables. There is also an example of the table from previous students in this course. And table channel in the Slack is a place to submit your own table. After submitting it, please have a review of other people's content to find something you might have interest. So that's all for the week two, and continue hard working, enjoy your 6th week, and take care of the snow. See you next Tuesday. Bye.